Hello. This short video will show you how to amend the order of the production operations that are used on the production tracking screen. Firstly, you need to get to the production operations in the classifications and categories settings of the system. This is done through the menu system and then selecting the Production Classifications tab. So, in this example, we want to change the order of machining and machining CNC so that machining CNC is before machining. Firstly, you will need to make the sequence number for machining to be greater than the last operation. After confirming that you want to do this, the system will temporarily move this operation to the end of the production process. In this example, this would be 10. Then, renumber the sequence number of machining CNC to that of where the recently moved machining was. In this example, it will be 2. Finally, renumber machining back into the sequence by giving it the number of 3, so that it is now positioned after machining CNC. By clicking the sequence number column header, the system will reorder the operations. Once this has been carried out, we can now see that the production operations have been amended as required, with machining CNC being placed before machining. To add a new operation, the similar principle applies. You will need to move the existing operations up one number from where you want to insert the new one. Do this by starting at the last operation first, working your way down to where you want to insert the new operation. Then add a new entry, assign the required sequence number, and this will then be in the required position. Changing an operation scanner ID code or description is straightforward by simply amending the code or description. Here, you can see the code and description for the existing bench labor. We will now go and see how this is used in the employee's timesheet area. You can see here, this is where this operation code is used for the employee. Now, we will go back and amend the description and code to see the effect that this has. So, we now go back and amend the production operations by navigating through the menu and system settings. We can then amend the description or code from within the table by clicking on the required description or code, or by double-clicking to show the full details screen. The system will ask you to confirm that you want to do this amendment, and if confirmed, you will be told how many employees this will affect. All your employees will have been given ID cards with the relevant operation scanning codes. If you change one of these codes, you must ensure that all employees that used this old code are given new cards with the updated code, otherwise they will be scanning an incorrect or obsolete operation code. You can now see that the description and code has been changed for the employee, and this will have been done for all employees with the old code or description. You now must reprint new ID cards for these employees. Obviously, once printed and issued, make sure that all the old cards are retrieved and destroyed to prevent incorrect scanning of operation codes. A couple of things to note. The more contracts there are in the data, the longer it will take to run this operation. The system has to go through every contract to reorder the operations as required. Secondly, we would advise that this is done when there are no other users currently working on the system. So, thank you for taking the time to look at this short video, and hopefully it will have helped you with this area of Contract Controller. If you need more assistance with using Contract Controller, or would like more information, please do get in touch.